This is how you're going to link WordPress menu items to Elementor sections. So here's the problem. You want your top navigation bar, which is this top bar right here, which has the contact terms and conditions, all that stuff, to jump down the page instead of loading the new one. So here's the fix to that. So first, you're going to click the section, which is like a blue handle or a pink, depending on the layout of your Elementor. And then from here, this will appear. This is the WordPress menu. You're going to head over to the Advanced tab that you can see right here. From here, you're just going to scroll down until you find the CSS ID. And then from this field, you're just going to type in contact. So you are not going to add anything else, just type in contact. Now we're going to head over to our WordPress menu. From the WordPress dashboard, you're just going to click on the appearance right here from the left sidebar. And then from the appearance, you're going to click on menus. From the menus section, you're going to click on the custom links right here. This is like a drop down. And then on the URL field, you're just going to type in number sign and then type in contact. So if you remember, we just typed in contact from the Elementor section right here at the CSS ID field. From the WordPress, you're going to type in number sign and then contact. Now after that, you're just going to click on add to menu, and then the simple number sign will tell the browser, don't look for a new website, just look for the word contact on this current page. And that's it. That is how you're going to link WordPress menu items to Elementor sections. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.